Hi guys, welcome back to another tier list, and now I will be doing fast food. Yes, the best fast food. So, for Chipotle, I've never actually been to Chipotle since I live in Michigan, and we don't have Chipotle, which is sad. But I heard it's really good, but I haven't had it, so I'm putting it in the Now Pizza Hut. Not Pizza Hut. Pizza Hut's much better. It's okay. Domino's, it's okay. And then Pizza Hut, it's like one of my favorite fast food pizzas. So I'm putting it. What the frick is this? I'm never gonna eat this. Ooh, Panera. Panera's so good. I love Panera. Wendy's is Again, if I put no, never eat here on some of them, I've never heard of most of these, and I've never eaten there. I'm just gonna put the ones I can't eat in bad because I don't know how bad they are. Then Panda Express, what should I put it in? I wanna put it in the Hardee's. Same with these. I can't really eat that. KFC. Same with this one. Whatever the frick that is. Arby's is really good. I'm putting Arby's over there. Same with this one. About all of these. Now Burger Bing. I don't eat at Burger Bing much, but I can say it's Okay, Subway. Subway I'd put it in the tier. Same thing with this one. I've never even heard of it. Papa John's. Papa John's. You might be mad at me for this, but I don't really like it that much. McDonald's. No, I don't really like McDonald's that much actually. Warehouse Subs. That can be put in the Taco Bell. I think I'm gonna put it in the Starbucks. I love Starbucks. Starbucks is going in the tier. Starbucks goes in the tier. In the tier. I haven't even heard of you. Jimmy John's. I think Subway's better than Jimmy John's. Don't get mad at me. Little Caesars. Now, I don't think Little Caesars would be better than Pizza Hut, but it's not as bad as Domino's. So yeah, same with this one. Now Popeyes, I've actually been here before. It's pretty good. I'm gonna put it in the tier. Now Sonic the Hedgehog, the restaurant. I'm putting you in the tier. Now Pita Pit. I do not like pitas. Never. Ever. Okay, Qdoba. I gotta put Qdoba in the Now Chick-fil-A. I've been there a few times. We don't have Chick-fil-A's here, but they're delicious. And I haven't. Look, I've heard of Zaxby's. I just haven't been to it. Same with this. Whatever the frick this is. So there you have it. My complete list of fast food restaurants. Okay. So yeah. Does anything look wrong to you? Probably this. Or this. Or this. I've never been to Chipotle, so. But I've just heard it's really good. Yeah. Here's my list. I see something missing in this list. In the comments, say what you see that's missing in this list that could be replaced with this. Okay, I'm just gonna tell it to you. They forgot DQ. I would have put DQ either here or here. I like DQ. So, anyway, that was my tier list of some freaking cool stuff. Fast food restaurants. Bye. It's about to hit 30, 26, 27, 28. Bye, guys, now.